What is up, babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Listen, y'all, I'm excited to share with y'all today.
Sunrise paints the sky with shades of gold. Coffee cup.
Oh, y'all, look what I was sent from Bdor. These artificial cedar bushes. Man, when I checked them out, I noticed how real they look. You get that lush, full greenery without having to think about watering, trimming, or keeping anything alive. And if you've ever had plants dry out on you, or you just don't have the time to keep up with outdoor maintenance, this is going to feel like a true upgrade. At 24 inches tall, including the ground stake, you simply press them into your soil, a planter, or a flower pot, and instantly you have a cleaner, more polished look in your yard, patio, or walkway. As you look at them, you'll see how the faux cedar branches are dense and vibrant, and you don't have to worry about the sun fading them or the weather ruining them. They're UV resistant, they're waterproof, so you can set them out and let them do their thing all year long. If you struggle with real shrubs not surviving the heat, the cold, or inconsistent care, these solve that problem for you beautifully. They give you that evergreen look without the work. And if you love symmetry, using both from this 2-pack instantly frames your space in such a clean, intentional way. You can also pair them with Norfolk bushes for a layered, textured look if you want to build out your garden design even more. Overall, these are perfect if you want your outdoor space to look put together with zero maintenance. Just set them in place, step back, and enjoy how much life and fullness they add to your home's entrance or garden pathways. I love them. Now they make me want more and to really create something amazing outside.
Every step I